Hi everyone, in the front of me I've got Motorola Moto G14 and let me share with you how to change the video resolution or actually video ratio in this device. So let's start with opening the camera app. Let's tap on it and then we have to switch to the video option so we can access the options which are connected with this mode. So let's simply tap on it. If it is highlighted in my case of course, pinkish color, and if you can see the red dot inside the shutter button, it means that you're on the video mode for sure. So now all we have to do is to actually take a look at this option bar, and on the second position from the right we've got the only option thanks to which we can customize the videos. So here we've got the ratio. Currently we've got the 9:16 ratio, and if you want to change it, you can only for example tap on this option right here and you will set the full screen, I believe. So as you can see, we've got the full screen, or if you don't want to change it like that, you can simply unroll the stop bar, and as you can see, we've got this aspect ratio, which is the only option that will allow us to customize the videos. So simply tap on the option you want to use and it will be immediately applied. Alright, so that will be all. Thank you so much for watching. I hope that this video was helpful, and if it was, please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.